Hello, children. Today we're going to learn about animal words.
What is this? Bear. Bear.
Bears are a type of animal with thick fur and great strength, living in deep forests and sometimes appearing in high mountain areas. There are various species of bears such as brown bears, polar bears, panda bears, and sloth bears. Bears enjoy eating a variety of foods including fruits, grass, honey, and even fish and meat. Although bears are often known for their strong and ferocious image, they can also be very cute and adorable. That's why teddy bears are one of the most popular toys today. Bears can smell like dogs, but their sense of smell is 6 times stronger. They can swim, climb, and are also skilled fish catchers.
What is this? Monkey. Monkey.
Monkeys are intelligent and agile animals, living in tropical forests, and some also inhabit high mountain areas. There are over 200 different species of monkeys, each with different characteristics and survival abilities. Monkeys enjoy eating fruits, leaves, insects, and even eggs. Monkeys are naughty and highly adaptable animals, excelling in tree climbing. They can communicate with each other through sounds and gestures. They have a great ability to learn and imitate, thus being trained to perform in circuses.
What is this? Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodiles, large reptiles, often inhabit large bodies of water and swamps, including both freshwater and saltwater environments. They can survive for many days without food. They typically prey on a variety of animals, ranging from small fish and birds to large mammals like deer, horses, and buffalo. Despite their sluggish appearance, crocodiles are top predators in their environments. Crocodiles are ambush predators, patiently waiting for prey to approach before launching a swift attack.
What is this? Pig. Pig.
Pigs are friendly and smart animals with round bodies, cute small ears, and a snout that helps them sniff out tasty treats. They love to roll around in the mud to keep cool and protect their skin from the sun. Pigs are excellent at finding food, using their strong sense of smell to search for delicious snacks like fruits, vegetables, and even truffles. Did you know that pigs come in many different colors and sizes? Some are pink, some are black, and some even have spots. On farms, pigs often live in groups called herds, where they play and communicate with each other using a range of grunts and squeals.
What is this? Zebra. Zebra.
Zebras are amazing animals that live in Africa and are known for their beautiful black and white stripes. These stripes help them blend in with the tall grasses of the savanna, making it hard for predators like lions to spot them. Zebras live in groups called herds, where they look out for each other and their young ones. They have a close bond with their family members and use different sounds like whinnies and barks to communicate. Zebras love to eat grass and spend a lot of their time grazing on the open plains.
What is this? Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffes are fascinating animals with long necks and beautiful spotted coats that live in the grasslands of Africa. They are the tallest land animals in the world, with legs that are almost as long as some adults are tall. Giraffes use their long necks to reach high into the trees to munch on leaves and twigs, which are their favorite foods. They have a special tongue that is long and sticky, perfect for plucking leaves from branches. Giraffes have large, expressive eyes and long eyelashes, making them even more adorable.
What is this? Frog. Frog.
Frogs are amazing creatures that live both on land and in water, known for their smooth, slimy skin and long legs. They come in many different colors and sizes, from tiny frogs as small as your fingernail to big ones as large as your hand. Frogs have bulging eyes that can see in almost every direction, helping them spot tasty insects to eat. These clever amphibians start their lives as tadpoles, swimming in ponds and streams before growing legs and hopping onto land. Frogs make funny sounds called croaks, which they use to communicate with other frogs and to attract mates.
What is this? Snake. Snake.
Snakes are fascinating reptiles that slither on the ground instead of walking, with long, scaly bodies and no legs. They come in many different colors and patterns, from bright greens and yellows to dark browns and blacks. Snakes use their tongues to smell the air around them, flicking it in and out to pick up scents. Some snakes are venomous, which means they have poison in their fangs to help them catch their prey. Snakes shed their skin several times a year as they grow, leaving behind a perfect, shiny new layer.
Come out to romp and play with fuzzy fur and big bear hugs. They spread love like magic rocks. Monkeys swing from vine to vine. The romantics make everything fine. With a chatter and a playful leap, they turn the jungle into a happy. He happy, he crocodile, happy he. Crocodiles bask in shining sun, their smiles wide, full of fun. In the river they splash and play, bringing joy to every day. Pixie day, pigs in the farmyard rolling in the mud, eagerly playing and running around everywhere. With their curly tails and rosy cheeks, they brighten up the dullest streets. Zebras scout across the golden plain, stripes shimmering like a rainbow's mane. Giraffes with necks so long and tall, gracefully roam, never to fall. Frogs by the pond croak and sing their melodies, make our hearts take wing. Snakes slithering with a graceful glide, in nature's dance they take pride. Come on, let's dance with all the